Good morning all. In today's class of marketing, I am going to start session 3. The name of session 3 is Managing PLC. Here PLC stands for Product Life Cycle. So we will study what is PLC. PLC stands for Product Life Cycle. As its name suggests, it's the life cycle of a product. So definition can be the number of stages or phases a product undergoes during its lifetime is called PLC or product life cycle. So here is the definition, means number of stages or phases a product undergoes during its lifetime is called PLC. The product life cycle indicates the sales and profit of the product over a period of time. Most of the products follow S-shaped curve. It is important to note down S. As we know how to make S, when we make S, it shows sharp growth, similarly sharp decline. So most of the products follow the S-shaped curve, with certain products deviating, means differentiation, showing a sharp growth followed by a sharp decline. So what is PLC? PLC means number of stages or phases in a product. So here is a curve or graphical representation of a product life cycle. We can see on x-axis we have drawn time, on y-axis we have drawn sales. So here is the curve between time and sales. So according to time, how sales grow, how sales decline, it is the curve of product life cycle. So we can see in the curve there are 4 stages given: introduction, growth, maturity, decline. So first we can see introduction. In introduction we can see according to time, sales means whenever product is introduced in the market, first sales are not growing very well. Sales have started growing slowly. So in introduction sales are growing very slowly. In growth sales are growing very fast. In maturity sales are balanced, sales have matured enough. And in decline sales will decrease. So similar is the case of product life cycle. As we know, in a human there are stages, like first we are introduced in this world, means we born. Afterwards first stage is child stage, second is young stage, third adult stage, fourth old stage. Afterwards we die. So similarly the case of the product also has these stages: introduction, growth, maturity, decline. A product is first introduced in the market. In introduction stage customer is unaware about the product, so sales are less, similarly profits are zero, but cost of production of new product will be more, because our marketer will have to advertise more, will have to promote more, will have to advertise it more, will have to do many marketing activities. He or she can have posters or pamphlets for a new product, so advertising cost will increase. So in introduction stage sales are less, profit is zero, but cost is more. Growth. In growth stage customer becomes aware about the product, so he or she starts buying it, so suddenly sales increases, similarly profit also increases, and cost slows down. In maturity is that stage in which every customer or consumer knows about the product very well, and some competitors also have initiated their product in the market. So in maturity stage product is not growing, not declining, it is balanced. Last, decline. Decline means now product is not getting sales properly because of competitors, new products are coming in market, so its sales are decreasing, similarly profits are also decreasing, so the product is declining from the market. So there are 4 stages of PLC. It is the diagram. Here also we have written the names. The product life cycle PLC has 4 stages: introduction stage, growth stage, maturity stage, decline stage. I will give the description of all one by one tomorrow. Till now this is your topic with diagram. Okay class, thank you for listening. Next we'll do tomorrow. Okay, thank you.